That's already, guys. And then we will put our sauce, guys. This is our sauce. Tara! Yan na, guys. That's our sauce. Lagyan natin ng ating sauce yan, mga guwapa kagwapo. Ayan na. Kunting ano lang yan, guys. And after that, we need to rumble. Ay, nako, guys. So hot talaga. This is very hot talaga, guys. It's hot to have hot, guys. This is very hot test. Okay na, mga guwapa kagwapo. Yan. Yan. Yan na, guys. So, ano lang yung kanina. Ayun. Yan. Diba, guys? Yan ang sinasabi ko, guys, eh. Yes, I told you, this is the yummy. Yan. That's yummy, guys. Then we will put again the spring onion, guys. Ayan ako, guys. Yung mga alaga natin ito na siguro, gutom na nyo siguro, we are hungry already, I think, guys, no? And then guys, yan. After that, we need to put some spring onion, mga guwapa. Spring onion, yan. That's our spring onion, mga guwapa na guwapo. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys. It's so yummy na, guys, oh. Ayan. That's our enjoyable, guys. I didn't put any salt, guys. Just also dark soy sauce and oyster sauce and sugar and of course wine. That's only like that, guys. I never put yeah. And then after that, guys, I never put the salt because this one, guys. Yan. We will put a little oil. That oil is from also lobster, guys. We fry the lobster and of course we put some oil for fry. That's why we will put again. Okay, Jai. Okay ka ba, Jai? Okay, guys. That's all. That's our menu for today, guys. Lobster. Then after that, guys, we will take out the lobster from the wok. Close the light. Close the fire. And of course, we will put some, oh my God, Lord, because we will put some, guys, our lobster. Okay, okay, guys, ganyan lang, guys, ang paglagay natin, no? We just put, kung gusto nyo, guys, patayuin nyo. Patayuin nyo ang ulo niya. Ganyan lang, guys, magpatayo kayo ng ulo ng lobster. Meron tayo isa-isa. Lagyan natin ng tubig, guys, kasi napaka too much niya, guys, too much sticky. Because we put also cornstarch, and that's all. I want this. I want you, baby. Yeah. I want you, baby. Yan guys, yung ating I want you, baby. Okay, want you, baby. Oh. At maglagay tayo ng parang design lang yan guys. Design lang yan, design. Yan. That's our design. Oh, di ba guys? Maglagay tayo ng design. Of course. Oh. Marami tayong ano guys, lobster. I cannot expect the lobster is like this too much. Okay, we will put the lobster in there. That's all. Lobster is good also guys. Yes, the lobster pungango ba guys ba? Unsa man ni kamot ba? Kamoy ba? Kamoy. Yan. Iwan ko lang guys kung ano na to mamaya. Oy. Ano na tong mukha nito mamaya guys. Mukhang ano na to, mukhang lobster na siya guys. Oy. Okay guys. Diba guys? Oh. Ganyan lang talaga siya guys. Ganyan lang siya guys. Ganyan lang. And then guys, we will put a little sugar. Should be the minute. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching and God bless. Okay. Mamaya guys, yung noodles nila, I don't know kung ano pa nagagawin nila yan guys. Yung noodles nila guys, we will put the sauce upstairs. Para mamaya guys, pagkain mamaya, mayroong bang soup yan, ay mayroong ano yan. Diba? Sabay ganun. Oh, yan lang guys. Little soy. Mainit siya guys ba? Mainit ba? Okay. Oh, it's so hot guys talaga. Very hot. Lagay lang natin yan guys. Lagyan natin siya ng soy sauce. Konting soy sauce lang guys. Kasi para may lasa. And then lagyan natin ng konting asukal for the taste. Kasi mamaya yung ano natin yung noodles guys. So very yung our noodles it's so stick. Okay. Okay, that's all na guys. Wait. Huh? Yan lang guys, ilalagay natin. Kasi para yung noodles natin, pwede naman, no? Guys. Tapos magprito na naman tayo guys ng ating pork chop. Okay guys. Okay. That's a little guys. That's water. Kasi napaka-sticky niya. Napaka-sticky natin. Enjoy watching and God bless everyone. That's our guys. Okay, tapos guys, ilalagay na natin yung ating we will put it's so hot. They will put our so hot here talaga guys. I'm very good. So magluto tayo guys ng we will cook the I don't know what time now guys. baba yung ating ano guys, no? Ayan. Na ang ating ano guys. Ayan. Oh. Sarap, sarap. Ganyan na lang talaga yan guys. Oy. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mamaya yung sauce niya ba. Okay, tapos nagprito tayo. We will fry the pork chop. Ay, grabe talaga guys yung ano. We will put the pork chop here. Grabe talaga guys yung ano guys. Oy. Too much talaga. Too much hot here in the kitchen. Okay. Okay guys. Thank you so much and enjoy watching. That's our init pa. Uy, init. What time now guys? Okay na. That's our lobster guys. We will see if our employer like that. They like that. They like that. Wait, what time na ba? 6:12 na. Tamang-tama ito guys. Higit na. We will fry also guys that one. Init po. Init po. Oh. Talong-talong na natin kasi ang init guys talaga, promise. Init talaga guys. Ay, mabit pala ako guys. Ano, giluto ko pala kanina yung ano. Yung noodles. Giluto ko pala. Okay na yan. Kasi sila na yung ano ba. Ang bata. Ito pala liluto ko yung noodles. Ay, naman pala ang noodles. Thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone. I hope everyone is enjoying watching our cooking for today. Just for dinner. Yeah. Okay guys.